Have you ever been to one of the man-made wonders of the world? Today on Exploring Through Our Lens, we will take you across one of the wonders of the world.
Okay, I am looking now at right there is Lake Mead, and this right here would be where the water would have overflowed when Lake Mead got high. It would overflow and then go down back into the Colorado River. I showed you the spillway, and here's the other side of it that goes 700 feet or more down to the Colorado River. Notice behind me that it has the Arizona time. These are two of the intake towers that are on the Arizona side. The Hoover Dam was built on the Colorado River, which was the line between Arizona and Nevada.
We are on the Nevada side of Hoover Dam, and behind me is the O'Callahan Bridge, which is over 700 feet above the Colorado River down below. Now, today it is the second tallest bridge in the United States, as somebody has just pushed a little bit past it. Patty and I are about in the middle of the Hoover Dam, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about the people that built this dam. So, I mean, think about how big this is. At the base, way down here, at the base, it's 660 feet. 660 feet across. Now up here at the top where we are, it's about 45 feet across. It's over 600 feet long. My goodness. Now, when they were building this dam in the 1930s, some of the days here were over 119 degrees. Grueling work for the men that worked on this dam.
The purpose of building the Hoover Dam was to provide electricity to the western states. Today, electricity is provided to states all over the country. The amount that is provided is 4 billion kilowatt hours annually. I actually asked Dan what that meant. I didn't really get the gravity of it. It sounds like a really large number. And what he said was an average house is about 400 kilowatt hours a month per house. So 4 billion kilowatt hours, that's a lot of power.
We're about in the middle of the Hoover Dam, and right behind me here is a plaque that says the Hoover Dam named in honor of Herbert Clark Hoover, the 31st president of the United States. But that's not the rest of the story. Quoting Paul Harvey, the Boulder Dam was originally called the Boulder Dam Project. And then when President Hoover was in office, he decided to name it after himself. But then President Roosevelt came in after him and said, no, we don't think that's the best idea. So it went back to the Boulder Dam. Now, finally, a few years later, they decided that they were going to get rid of all of this and finally name it for sure the Hoover Dam. It started as the Boulder Dam Project. It went to the Boulder Dam, it went to the Hoover Dam, and then it went back to what it is today, the Hoover Dam.
Here I am standing between Nevada and Arizona. Can you imagine what it was like when Arizona is in a different time zone than Nevada? It can get really confusing.
Standing on this dam is just awe-inspiring. It is so massive, unless you physically see this, you just can't get the scope of how big this dam is. Now, I want you to imagine back in the 1930s, there were 21,000 people working on this dam project. 21,000 people. About 3,500 men worked every single day, and they worked in 3 shifts, 24 hours a day, to build this dam project. Now, you might be asking, how much did they make when they were building this dam? Well, the lowest paid workers made about 50 cents an hour. That's right, 50 cents an hour. Now, the guys that had the more dangerous jobs of swinging off the sides of the mountains, they were making about $1.25 an hour.
21,000 men worked on the Hoover Dam. They needed a place to live. That's how Boulder City got started. Men brought their families, their wives, and their kids, and from there the city was born. Today, you could go through Boulder City and it's just a great place to get a snack, get dinner, have a drink, whatever it is, go shopping. It's a really great place to visit when you are on your way out here to the Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam is just one of the most incredible things that you can see. As a matter of fact, it's so incredible, they call it one of the wonders of the world. I'm Dan Hunt with my incredible wife, Patty Hunt, saying have a great rest of today.
And an even better day tomorrow.